everybody, it's Jen from Lux Tech Travel, and today we're doing a follow-up to our Apple Watch Series 5. I wanted to accessorize and decided to get some watch bands. So these watch bands are from a brand called Oulucci, which I ordered off of Amazon, and I will definitely be putting the link in the description to share with you all. But what I found unique about these bands was that they are actually really thin, and I like the classy effect that a leather band has for the watch, but I've found watch bands that are leather to be very wide, thick, and they look more masculine, which just isn't my style. So to compare, I'll show you. This is one of Jose's leather watch bands. And if you look just how much thinner this one is. And it looks absolutely gorgeous on the wrist. So I ordered the saddle brown to match my saddle brown leather case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I also have the black leather version, which I have not gotten the case for my phone in black, but we do have from the XS Max the black leather, and as you can see, it matches beautifully. So all of the finishings match perfectly with the stainless steel, and it is 100% leather. And what I like is on the underside of both, you have this, it's still 100% leather, but it's a lot softer, so it doesn't cause irritation against the wrist, at least for me personally. I, cannot speak if you have allergies or sensitive skin issues. But the finishings are stainless steel. They do come in other colors. I chose the saddle brown and the black because to me these are the classic colors and they will match the best. But I also wanted to just show you against my wrist so you can see. I am more of a petite person. I'm only 4'11", so things like this are important to me. I want to look stylish while not feeling like I look like a little child. So as you can see, it's a great fit. They do give you on the website the exact measurements. This would fit a wrist from 5.5 to 8 inches in circumference. So that's something you could do. You get a tape measure just to check out your measurements and see if it fits for you. It does come for the 38mm/40mm watches, and they are very detail oriented as far as all the colors that they post. I love how they try to be slick and have the Hermes watch face as one of their pictures. But something else that is important, because customer service is always something that I look for. And if you could check here, it says that all of their items pass rigorous quality control, and if you find a defective one, they will not only solve your problem immediately, but they guarantee to put a smile on your face. So I mean, you could see that this company is really trying to make sure that their customers are satisfied. And I definitely am one of those customers that's satisfied enough to give them a review. This is not sponsored. I did buy this out of my own pocket. And again, we have the Oulucci watch bands. This is for my Apple Series 5 watch, but it does fit all of the Apple watches that are for 38mm and 40mm. Alright, so stay tuned because we have a lot more content coming in. Thank you.